guys, it's your boy O.B.S. back at it again with another banger. Today guys, we're gonna be doing some new headlights on the Lightning. Like I told you on the previous video, we're gonna put some new headlights, some new switchbacks, and some new LEDs to upgrade it to the newest LEDs that we just got. Let me show you guys what it was. So guys, we now have the S10 Revo LEDs, well, made by Zero. Guys, we had the R10 model with 15,000 lumens and we were blown away by that. Well, this one definitely takes one for the win with 20,000 lumens, and not one and not two, but a 3-year manufacturer and in-store warranty. So guys, if you want a way to spend your money and have the baddest lights, LED lights on the market, this right here guys, this is what you want to get. We're gonna have them up on the website after this video goes up live. So guys, check out the website obscartel.com, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can see more of the content that we got coming for the Lightning, the Tahoe, and we got another surprise that's gonna be revealed here in a couple weeks. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and go out to the garage and get started on the install on the Lightning. Guys, so before we head on out, I have to ship these wheels out. So yeah, let's take care of this first, and then we'll get on out to do this. You could. Oh yeah, guys, that's how I get my workout. Se van los 17 por 11 al estado de Florida. Yeah. Damn it, boy! Alright, we got one box built, guys. Put this to the side. So we finished wrapping up the wheels, and now we have an order for a valence to go out. So this is the 454, it says valence. So if you want to add fog lights to your O.B.S. and it doesn't come with fog lights, this is the way to go, guys. Right here, getting ready for our customers, getting ready to ship. This thing is light, but supieran cuánto cobran to ship these things out, man, they're like $60. So you guys keep that in mind, that shipping is expensive. So if you're nearby in the Valley of Houston, we'll stop by the store, pick it up, and get it for cheaper. Come on by, guys. I'll leave the address down below so y'all can come by and visit us here in Corpus Christi, Texas, at the O.B.S. Cartel headquarters, which is called Truck Zone and Retro OG Wheels, all under one roof. You know what I'm saying? Pero así nomás quedó, mi gente, los renecitos empacados. Ahora estamos empacando este labio facial para los camionetas del 88 a 98. Si no traen faros de niebla, con este plástico se las pueden agregar. Ya viene cortado el agujero, nuevo, listo para montar. Solamente que sí tendrían que usar sus mismos tornillos que ya traen existentes. Y si no los tienen, manden un mensaje, yo se los mando también. Pero no viene incluido, si es una venta aparte. Vamos a terminar de empacar este. A la venta. Hola, hola, cámara, güey. Te la chingas, güey. Y ponerle su shipping label. Fierro. Hasta Colorado.
24 hours later.
All our OG people, y'all know this truck. Y'all remember this truck from back in the day. You know, like 2020, 2019. Like, you know. Y'all know I sold it, so it belongs to one of the guys that helps me here, Nick. But right now, I'm gonna start getting work on it, so it's here for now. But I just thought I'd let y'all know, you know, this is the same truck. He still has it, and it's good to see it and have it around. So let's get it out the way so we can bring the Lightning in and put the headlights on. These headlights are aftermarket. There is certain gear that came out with the same exact headlights, OEM, but they're not OEM because you will see SVT in there. So since they're already aftermarket, might as well change it up with something else that's more aftermarket. Pretty much same thing, guys, just a little bit of a change. We're gonna get rid of that amber. Don't mind the truck, it's a little dirty. I haven't been driving it. So anybody else who's on a Lightning or a Ford like this, y'all know this is like the hardest headlight to put back in. It's easy to take out, but it's hard to put back in. For some reason, the lines just, y'all will see right now what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and start by removing this, prying them up. That's the cool thing. You just pry those two things up and then boom, it releases the headlight out. Like that. A little bit higher on this one. Alright, should be good to go. Alright, so there's a release ring there, and then the headlight just comes right out. A ver, vamos a ver qué tenemos aquí. So they are a little bit different, I guess. So these don't have that round, you know, like the other one. And then the corners are just completely clear, and they don't have that strip on the bottom. So we should be able to get a little bit more lighting out when we put the switchbacks. And then when you hit the amber, the turn signal is gonna be amber, and it's gonna go back to white. You know what I'm saying? Now for the main part, let's go ahead and do the headlights. I'm anxious to see how bright these headlights are on this kind of beam, because these Ford Lightnings, as majority of the Fords from like 14 and down, I believe, they take a bulb that has a high and low on the same headlight. So they're kind of known for sucking that light output. But these are 200 watts, two-sided. Usually people go with like a 5-sided, which is what we used to carry. But this is a new one, 200 watts, 20,000 lumens, 3-year warranty. So man, hopefully they last me longer than what I had the truck. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in here. Oh wait, no, that's the fucking tag marker. Stupid! Okay guys, so these headlights come with a ring that hold the bulb and lock, and it's missing. Okay, that's right there. So they were nice enough to give us some stock bulbs. So right here, there's 3 prongs in there, and you have 3 prongs here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna line those up with those, and then we hit the roar. I'm just kidding. So just kind of watch from this side. There we go. There we go. It's not. And chinga madre, compadre. Right there. See? You're just gonna go straight in, guys. The bulb looks like it might be angled. It's completely up and down. So right now we do need to do some adjustments. Well, the good thing about these bulbs, let me show y'all again. It has interlocking tabs, so you can take them off and adjust them. So let's see. Once you got that on there, go ahead and bring. And I fucked up. Usually what we do, we take this off the headlight bulb, the bulb. We put it in first by itself. They're gonna come with the locking mechanism ring and twist into place, and that's it. It's locked. It ain't going nowhere, buddy. Nowhere. And then this one's just gonna come. You're gonna lock it. If it fucking locks. Hold on, don't watch this. It's like that. Better fucking work. Anyway, so we get that locked in there, and we're gonna want to put our side pins on first. Les digo de experiencia. This goes in first. these guys weren't nice enough to put in a bulb in here. Which we don't give a fuck. We don't need it. We're gonna come in here and find the locking, and no one's there. That's it. And I don't know, for some reason it feels kind of loose. So let's try this side. You gotta play with it, guys. You gotta put it in the hole and just play with it. Take this off, line up the holes. Just put them. Oh look, I found a screw.
Finally found it.
The phone we lost. There you are, buddy. Alright, so just line up the 3 prongs and it should be able to just slide back in. But wait, it's keeping us hell here. Guys, this is like the trucks I hate the most to do. That's why. Okay, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, there's like a guide up there. You gotta, there we go. See? Once you get in the guide, man. Then we're gonna get rid of this HID kit that was on here because nobody runs HIDs anymore. And we put these on here for this guy. When he bought it to us to get them put on. So I guess that's one of the perks of having your you're in the car business. You find out who drives what, and what, and eventually you can end up buying some of these vehicles from your customers. So there's the HID, something more nice and cleaner, LED. We're gonna plug that in and check the light output. So let's go ahead and see how good it looks before we put it in. 1, 2, 3. White. Oh my god! White corner?
Yeah.
White headlight?
Yep.
Sheesh! Oh my god. Guys, that's bright. Look at that, guys. Look at that light output. Now this is, look, this is a high and low beam. You don't get that out of any other regular bulb. That's just the low beam, guys. Look how concentrated the beam is. It's a perfect light output. So, with that being said, guys, look, compare it to the HID on that side, bro. Alright, guys, look, y'all can see the HID on the Tahoe on the right side. And look, okay, look at how bright that one is, right? Y'all see the HID? And then look at the LED. Bam! Light output is 200 times better, guys. And that's just the low beam. Let's go ahead and hit the high beam and see what it does. And also to test and see if it works, because sometimes the wiring, you gotta flip it. Oh, it works. So here we have our high beam. And god damn, it looks the same. But look at the high beam compared to the HID. Yellow. Look at that. Damn, guys. Estamos con madre. Sí vale la pena. Sí cuestan sí valen los $160. Sí lo costean. Go back to low beam, turn it off, and we're gonna put it on. We'll jump to the next setting. Oh, okay. I see. Are these the same? Where's the other one that took off? Jesus. Don't record me, bro. I'm mad. Así quedó la Lightning con sus nuevos lentes New headlights, guys. I'm digging it. They look nice. Might have to still kind of find some switchbacks that go more with this color, but for right now, it'll do. So go ahead and pull it out and see how it does in the sun.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so como pueden ver, así quedó la lining. Ahí me dejan saber abajo qué les pareció las nuevas luces. Si les gusta comprar sus focos, ya que vieron los resultados, avísenos, estamos a la orden. No se les olvide, like, subscribe. We got more videos coming, guys. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget, guys, share, comment down below. What do you want to see next? What did you think about the lighting? And if you like the bulbs, you can order them on the website, obscartel.com. See you on the next one.